Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel, because duh, if y'all could tell by the title, this is like a random video mixed with a lot of things, because like I forgot that I was recording this video, and y'all, by the time I realized it, I done changed wigs and everything. Like, so this vlog is basically me. It was supposed to be a self-care vlog, a maintenance vlog, but baby, I didn't even do all of that, honey. I put the wig on, I did my lashes and all the extra stuff, and I laid down, honey. And I was just like, you know what? I ain't even finna get my nails done until the next following week. So, baby, this vlog is finna be all over the place. So, it's just, bear with me. So, I'm just finna show you guys how I install my wig or whatever. And I was just doing this for TikTok because I wanted to just get back into my wig influencing bag. Even though, like, I've been making money, without doing wigs and stuff like that right there. But I want to get into that because I want to perfect my craft as well, because I feel like the more I practice, the more I get better. And I feel like now that I can really do some styles for real, I be eating shit. Like, what? So this was going to be like a bust out middle part. It was actually an old wig from, I think, Tuneful Hair or Hot Star Hair or something like that. Basically, like, y'all, I'm just showing y'all how I install. If y'all want some more install videos, let me know. Let me know, should I do step-by-step install videos like on YouTube, because I be eating shit. The times that I be eating for real, I really feel like I should be recording for YouTube instead of just TikTok. I mean, yeah, I be posting them on my shorts and stuff like that, but I want y'all to see the full effect. I learned everything from YouTube, online, TikTok, different creators, and I'm forming up like my own little craft or whatever. It really doesn't take that much, but I don't use the method of like over plucking the hairline, because like I don't like that. It don't look natural to me when you over pluck the hairline to be bald as fuck. You know what I'm saying? You could tell like the separation. It's a space between the edges and the dang on the hair. Like, it's a big ass gap. Like, no, Boo, tomatoes. Like, what was that? Hold on. Damn. So, yeah, y'all, I will give y'all a full step-by-step if y'all want that, if y'all need that. I want that. I need that. Yeah. But, yeah, so I just been going through a lot, y'all. And I don't know. I honestly forgot about this video. This video, like, 3 weeks old. 4 weeks old, y'all. Like, can y'all believe it? But, yeah, so just sit back and enjoy the show. I'm going to come back when I'm done doing my hair or whatever. And, yeah. Literally, y'all, I think this was like the next day or a couple of days after that. I had to start taking down the Christmas tree because it was getting on my nerves. I was just like, I'm not gonna have this Christmas tree up all the way till February. And if y'all Christmas tree still up, it's shame on you. I feel like I'm tired of looking at it. I kept walking by. I was tired of looking at it. And you get what I'm saying? And I was like, it's gotta go. It gotta go. I feel like it's because I put it up too early. I put it up damn near at the end of right after Thanksgiving. I put my tree up. So yeah, it was time for it to go. So me and my son just taking off the decorations first, and we're putting them in this little bag that I got from Ross. I'm glad I actually got this bag or whatever. Then we're gonna break down the tree and I'm gonna put it back in the box. Next year I'm gonna use the same stuff, honey. Probably gonna get some new, maybe some different decorations. Maybe I'm not gonna get a new tree because yeah, I want to get a new tree, honestly though, because this tree is supposed to come with the lights that work, and baby, them lights did not work. I tried everything and anything to get them lights to work, and then they didn't work. They didn't fucking work. So I was pissed. And come to think of it, I still didn't even get them lights from right now. Like, as I'm like doing this video, like I'm remembering, I didn't even get them lights out the living room. Like, it's some lights under my sofa that I had, you know, to give the effect of the light under the sofa. It was real fire, like at nighttime. But it was just, you know, short-lived, all this glitter and stuff like that right there. I had to just get it out the corner so the corner can be free, so it won't look so boogie over there. It looks so bunched up. So now I have room, and I moved my my lamp over that I still haven't got a light bulb for. Y'all, it be a million and one things on my mind. Literally something as fucking minute as a damn light bulb don't be the first thing on my mind. I'm sorry. Every time I go to the store, I do not be thinking, oh, get a light bulb. Like, oh my gosh. I really need to put it on my list, though. I need to text it to myself. The only way I can remember something that I need for real, is to text it to myself. So that's what I'm going to do. Text to myself. I need a light bulb. So y'all see me, like, breaking down the tree or whatever. So now I got to try to close the box so it can fit downstairs in the storage area. Y'all, downstairs looks a fucking rut. I be cleaning up most of the house, you know, every week or whatever, and then downstairs we just throw everything down there. It's a pool table down there, it's a lawnmower down there, it's this tree down there, it's my storage space for my business supplies, all this bullshit. And y'all, speaking of business, y'all, I'm finna get back into my business. So I'm finna start making videos about business. So if you want to learn how to start a business, learn how to make 6 figures your first year just by selling a product, you don't even have to show your face. I didn't even show my face for a long time, and I was still making money. I didn't start showing my face till probably like year 2, and I still really didn't even have to show my face. So yeah, get into her. So yeah, more tutorials coming soon as well. I'm just finna get into my bag, y'all. Make sure y'all check the description box below so y'all can follow me on all of my platforms, especially my business. I've seen people support or whatever and before, and I love that for me. But I'm finna get into that bag just like I'm getting into working out. I'm finna get into business stuff and content creating and just, you know, focusing on myself, staying busy and not worry about these niggas. Hello, yeah. I don't know what was going on here, but yeah. I'm finna show y'all everything because I think I was cleaning up this day too and I didn't feel like recording, you know. So I was just like, let me just record a little bit of this. So I still got the little snowmans we made up there. I did take down some of the decorations, the Christmas decorations we had. Like, I want to get rid of the reindeers and stuff, but you know, I don't know. It's still giving Winter Wonderland because it's snowing outside and stuff like that. So I don't know. I just might just keep them up for right now. And when we get into spring, that's when I'm going to change my decor. I'm going to change my pillows again. And yeah, it's going to be real cutesy. I'm not doing no Valentine's Day decor because for what? I ain't got nobody. So I'm just showing y'all the clean house or whatever. This is my room, y'all. Y'all finally seeing my room. With the panels and stuff, and this is everything with the lights on, the stars on the ceiling. The stars do work, and this is how the grass wall looks with the light on. And y'all, I just ordered, while I'm talking to you guys, I do have some flowers and butterflies that's coming that I'm going to stick on the grass wall, so that's going to be cutesy. I'm still not done with my room, y'all, so that is actually loading up. It's loading up, so stay tuned for all of that. Yana. Give me some suggestions as well, y'all. I be asking y'all for suggestions. Y'all don't even give me none. Like, what kind of subscribers are y'all? Like, be for real right now. Don't do me like that, y'all. Yeah, big booty bullet part. Y'all know the vibes. But yeah, this is my son's room or whatever. He need to get it together. I did redo his room, and then he tore everything up. So it is what it is. He got a new bed frame and all that extra stuff. Because I said I wasn't going to buy one, but I ended up buying one any fucking way. He should have been sleeping on the slacks on the damn floor. No shade. Just did my decluttering video, y'all. Will be posting next because I'm sick of it, yeah. And this is the kitchen, all nice and clean. So yeah, everything is coming together. So yeah, make sure y'all like this video, period. All right.
Girl, I hope y'all hit the like button. Miss Peggy had enough. Miss Peggy had enough, girl. The pump.
Yeah, so this is what I did right here.
Why did he say that to that lady?
Pushing on. I don't like that. I gotta change that. I think I got something else? No, that's it. Oh, I do got more hearts. Okay, so we can put some more hearts up there. Yeah, put some more hearts over there. So I do have 2 more hearts. I'm gonna put them on there when I get back. And then, yeah. So literally, that is it. That's the new additions right there. You know, took down a Christmas tree, bended that. I was supposed to be able to upload this video, y'all. Don't mind it. Boom, bam. So that corner is looking empty. Y'all see the other table over there? I'm actually using it, but I'm thinking about transforming my office space next and finishing my room. So I have a lot to go. I have a lot going on. And then I gotta fix this. I really have to fix this. Get on my nerves. I have some good ass curtains, y'all. These curtains are so fucking, they're like velvet feeling and they're blackout. Like, period, bitch. But I just need to fix that. Let's get on my nerves. You know how much I pay for curtains and fucking curtain rods, bro? Like, you know what? Good night. So yeah, so this is how the living room is looking. We're gonna get it together. I'm gonna do my declutter video. And yeah, make sure y'all like the video and subscribe. I will be coming back with some more heat.